Good afternoon, everyone. This is my report. Mechanical behavior of metallic materials. Mechanical behavior refers to how metals respond to applied forces. Includes strength, toughness, elasticity, hardness, ductility, brittleness, and fatigue. Strength. Strength is the ability of a metal to resist deformation. Types include tensile, compressive, shear, and yield strength. Tensile strength. Tensile strength measures resistance to pulling forces, important in wires, beams, and structural components. Comprehensive strength. Comprehensive strength measures resistance to crushing forces, common in columns, supports, and foundations. Toughness. Toughness is the ability to absorb energy before fracture. High toughness prevents sudden failure under impact. Elasticity. Elasticity allows a metal to return to its original shape after stress, measured by modulus of elasticity or Young's modulus. Plasticity. Plasticity is the ability to undergo permanent deformation, important in metal forming processes like forging and rolling. Hardness. Hardness measures resistance to scratching and indentation. Test. Brinell, Rockwell, Vickers. Ductility. Ductility is the ability to stretch without breaking, important in manufacturing and shaping metals. Brittleness. Brittle materials break suddenly with little deformation, common in cast iron or metals at low temperature. Fatigue. Fatigue is weakening of metal under repeated loading, causes cracks, and is common in aircraft, bridges, and rotating machinery. Creep. Creep is slow deformation over time under constant stress. Occurs at high temperatures in turbines and boilers. Summary. Ang major properties po ng report na ito ay strength, toughness, elasticity, hardness, ductility, brittleness, fatigue, and creep. These help engineers choose appropriate metals.